How to make money with Google AdSense in 2025. First of all, Google AdSense is a monetization platform. It is straightforward to sign up after you read through the terms and conditions. And you simply grab a code and place it on your website. But to be able to earn a decent income from Google AdSense, here are the tips that I can share with you. On Rank Your Website, I actually turn on the ads every now and then. So it means I don't earn from Google AdSense on this website. I monetize YouTube videos. That is also part of Google AdSense. If you're creating video content, you can still earn an income from Google AdSense through AdSense for YouTube. But I optimized websites for valued clients who were earning $3,000 plus per month. Another one, $5,000 plus per month. So that's serious income, right? So I'll show you what works. First, if you're relying on free website builders, such as Blogger, WordPress.com, that's not how you earn from Google AdSense. You need to host your own website, preferably through WordPress, because WordPress is the content management system that simplifies content creation. To be able to earn from Google AdSense, you need to drive website traffic. That's why you want to have control over your own website by hosting it yourself. And in 2025, accomplishing that for less than $100 a year, even cheaper, it's a no-brainer. Then you need to create content. Well, you can choose something that you're passionate about, or understand the fact that certain industries earn more than others. For example, search engine optimization industry may not earn as much as if I was to create content related to finance or related to credit or money. So you need to identify the niche that you want to create content for. Because as I've said, some industries pay more. The way AdSense works is you need to drive lots of website traffic. And what Google wants in 2025 is a well-performing website that's user-friendly and the content is helpful, reliable, and focused on people's best interest. When you create content, content means everything on your web page. Textual information, images, or even videos. So it's just a matter of placing the code on your website that performs well, and you create content for people. And Google search box is the place for you to identify keywords. You need to target search keywords, because if people don't search for a keyword and you create content, how can you earn? Because you won't be able to drive website traffic. To be able to make money with Google AdSense, it's all about content, but that content has to be original. Don't rely on AI tools to just pump out content, because that will never work. Then simply target keywords and create that original content. If you then can create that content within very short time, you'll be able to earn a decent income. But ideally, if you're beginning, remember what Google wants is you have privacy policy, cookie policy, read through Google AdSense terms, because you may be creating content for European Union countries or US regulations. These are critical because Google analyzes the entire website. So the better the website that you create, on a website that you have full control over, that will only improve your earning potential. And all you have to remember is some industries pay more than the others. To be able to earn more, use the latest auto ads, because Google knows how people interact with your website. So to be able to make money with AdSense, it's all about original content that you create in an industry that pays well and on a website that performs well. If you then create that content within 1 to 3 months, you'll start building momentum. And if you continue and you are patient and don't give up with content strategy, as in content creation, then within very short time, you'll be able to earn a decent income through Google AdSense for your website. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.